Hey everyone, it's Steve Passanelli with Tech Savvy Agent. I'm here with Taylor, National Accounts Manager for My Computer Works, and she sent me an email yesterday and just kind of introduced herself and her company to me, and I thought it's an absolutely fantastic system or service that a lot of realtors could use out there. Because let's face it, you guys are out on your own island. You have to do everything yourself, so you have to wear all these different hats, and your computer is your lifeblood. And what happens if that computer goes down on a Sunday afternoon and you need it up and running? That's where their service comes in. And I know Taylor just shared with me an interesting statistic about the user base of her clients. So Taylor, why don't you introduce yourself again and give us some information about your service?
Sure. Hi, Stephen. I'm Taylor with My Computer Works, and we had a marketing company come in and kind of research our customer base, and we found out that over 60% of our customers are realtors. So that was really surprising to us when we found that out, and that's kind of what wanted me to reach out to you guys at Tech Savvy Agent.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you. Yeah, and I did some research with your service, and I found out it was fairly economical. The types of services that you offer are right up the alley of most realtors that are out there. And what are the types of things that you normally help the average realtor with?
Sure. We actually found out that over 87% of realtors do not have reliable technical support. So, that statistic is pretty staggering.
Right.
But when they do call us, they're calling us for anything from Outlook issues, setting up Outlook, wireless connectivity issues, zipping pictures, MLS assistance, even the smartphones, zip forms, and even just basic training, Adobe issues. I mean, I could go on, but really what makes us different is the fact that we're not just there just to fix your problem that you're having. Our technicians are also there to provide training and educate you on the technology that you have so you can better use it.
And that's not bad for the price points where you guys are at. I noticed it starts at $29.95, and then you have, of course, packages that they can bump up from. What's the most common package that realtors generally choose?
Sure. Realtors, we recommend our Priority One service for realtors, and it's a step up from the basic package. It's $34.95 a month, but what that does is it guarantees a response time from our technicians of 60 minutes or less, because we know that you guys are out in the fields trying to get some stuff done, so that's the package that we recommend for you.
Now, do you have any tips now I know obviously you guys have a service, you're a business, but do you have any tips that you can provide our audience on some of the things that they can do maybe to make sure their computer is maintained and they're making the right steps to make sure they don't have any major problems in the future?
Sure. Came up with some tips here. First thing that's very important is backing up the computer, data backup. Even if you have a secondary hard drive right there, that's not enough. As we know with this Storm Sandy coming through, if you had a secondary hard drive right next to your computer and something happens to it, you're out of luck. So
absolutely. Get
that third-party cloud-based backup. It's very important. It's a service that we provide. It's a lot of other services out there for that. Also, get yourself a power supply on your computer because with all this electrical things going on, get a surge protector because you don't want, something outside forces affecting, your computer and your business.
Right.
And then lastly, turn off your computer. You don't have to do it every day, but do it once or twice a week. Do that because there's programs that run on the background all the time, and shutting down the computer just lets it, first of all, it lets the programs update, and then it shuts down all those programs running in the background. You'll find that your computer should run a little bit faster if you turn it off sometimes.
Awesome. So let me ask you one more question, and then let's end with this. How long has your service been around, and what type of track record do you guys have?
That's a great question. My Computer Works has been around for over 5 years, and what makes us really different is the fact that we're U.S. based. Luke Ford started the company. He really wanted it to be a U.S. based company. A lot of companies are outsourcing overseas. We have a BBB approval of over 95%.
Awesome.
We try to do the best we can for the real customers we have.
Awesome. Is there anything you would like to share as we close out? I'll provide more information about your company, of course, in the post that everyone will see below. But is there any final notes for us?
Check out the website. It's mycomputerworks.com. We have a lot of testimonials from realtors. Don't take it from me that, our service is great. Take it from your peers, and they can give you some really good feedback on our service.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Taylor, for joining us here today. I hope the agents do check it out. I think it's going to be beneficial. It's at a great price point, and I hope you have a great afternoon.
Thanks. You too.